Alright, this is a case study that how I'm able to make $500 in less than 2 hours of the work and how you can do it. This is a perfect case study that anyone can follow it and can make money. And this is interesting to learn for anyone who likes to make some money. So what I've done is that as I've gone through in the Waterforum classified ads section, and I have posted my ad, and basically I'm promoting a product, social multiplier, in this section. And if anyone who buy through my affiliate link, I'm going to get the commission. So this product is giving a commission of $68 for 1 year and $198 for lifetime. And I'm going to show you everything, this statistics. So first let me show you that what I have done is, this is a simple, all I have done is from the sales page I have put a simple video, and this is my affiliate link, and this I get all this information from the sales page. And these are the couple of the bonus that I have created to attract the people by my affiliate link. And I'm going to show you everything that how you can make the same kind of the offer and the bonus, and it doesn't take more than 2 hours of the work. And I would like to show you that how much money that I had made by just putting a simple ad. It took less than 2 hours of the work. So this offer is right now, this product is right now is not selling, but it was when I launched at initial stage, I had promoted that product and I made instant $500. And let me show you the statistics. So you can see that I got around 51 unique visitors. I got 11 sales, and the conversion ratio is amazing. It's like 21.57%. And EPC is per dollar 9.77. This is just amazing. I made around $500, and this is really quick money. And as you can see that this is the kind of the commission that I was getting, and just amazing. You can see that it's $67 and 50% I was getting, so $33 as a commission. And some people are buying $197 lifetime, and I'm getting $100, $98.50, so roughly around $100 in commission. And I would like to show you in the Zaxa. This is the offer in the Zaxa.com. So basically, as you can see that I had made some money. Right now this product is stopped, so but still it's cool. I made this product is again relaunched on the November. I made again $233. Basically I just bombed the trade. It took 2 minutes of the work, and I made extra another $233. So let me show you again that my commission is last 30 days, and as you can see it's like $230, and my affiliate and my product stats as affiliate. And again I click on last 30 days, and boom, I got around 14 visitors, and I got 3 sales, and I got conversion is 21.43%, and I make again cool $230. So let me calculate that online calculator. I made around $498 at initial stage, and then I made around $230. So roughly around $728 I made just by posting a simple ads, and it took around 2 to 3 hours of the time. And once again, when this product is gonna launch, I'm gonna again bump it, and I know that I'm gonna make again some sales. So this is easy money I done with lots of ClickBank offers and other offers, which I'm going to show you, and you can also do it. That's the reason I'm creating this stuff, and it's pretty easy to follow. I hope that you like it, and this is the case study, and I'm going to show in remaining videos how we can do it together. Thank you.